Hey guys, hi, hello, and welcome to my video library. Hi, this is Poonam. Hello, everyone. Um, Again, I'll say the same story. I'm very excited for today's course, but genuinely, I am very excited. ये जो कोर्स आज मैं लॉन्च कर रही हूँ ये इसका एक वर्जन मैंने कोविड के दौरान आई थिंक इन 2020 आई हैव लॉन्च्ड वन ऑफ द कोर्स एंड नाउ आई एम हियर विद द अनदर कोर्स. तो वो अगर इंटरेस्टिंग था तो आज का जो ये कोर्स है वो और भी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस इंटायर प्रोजेक्ट इन जस्ट 2 weeks. 2 हफ्ते में मैंने ये पूरा काम खत्म किया है. आई ऑलवेज मैंशन दिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू गाइज कि मैं कब ये काम खत्म करती हूँ, मुझे कितने दिन लगते, सो दैट यू गाइज गेट अ फेयर आइडिया ऑफ हाउ मच टाइम I have dedicated to make this thing day and night. So I don't sit and do my work like that. I sit in proper time and I finish off the project in particular days. तो मैं पूरे टाइम डेडिकेट करके ये काम अपने शुरू करती हूँ और ख़त्म भी उसी टाइम से करती हूँ. सो दिस प्रोजेक्ट टुक मी 2 weeks and I'll tell you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 stocks I have made. 31 stocks I have made. और इनके फोलियज तो आप पूछो ही मत, मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा. अंततः वो इतने ज्यादा थे फोलियज दैट आई वाज ओनली वंडरिंग व्हाट विल आई डू विद सो मेनी स्टॉक्स. बट देन it was too much fun to make all this and I'm very excited for all you guys to launch this course. So this course is good for beginners. It's amazing and I have made the videos in such a way that you guys will have no problems understanding the clay flowers. And since quite long I've been getting calls, people asking for what course shall we start for beginners, how to start with clay flowers, what is the perfect course which you say that you can start with. So this course is good for beginners as I can say. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें डिटेल्स नहीं है, लेकिन आप जब बिगिनर हैं तो आपको क्ले के ट्रिक्स एंड टेक्निक समझने हैं, आपको क्ले कैसे मोल्ड करना है वो समझना है. एंड आई हैव मेड श्योर दैट मैंने इस वीडियो में आपको क्ले कलरिंग बताया है बिकॉज इन द फर्स्ट course which I launched in 2020, I have seen many people, though I have bifurcated the clay in that course also and I've shown, but this one I have been very particular about the clay coloring, the shades, the placement, everything I have been very 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 particular about. तो ये course as beginners आप try कर सकते हैं. अगर आप क्ले फ्लावर्स से जुड़ना चाहते हैं, आपको लगता है कि हमें क्ले से कुछ शुरू करना है, तो ये कोर्स आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं, प्रीति, त्रिशा, सुमेधा, रचना जी, तारा, रागिनी, पलक, जेस, many people are here. Thank you so much for joining in and please share the video. This video has a small little link at the bottom. You can share the video on your page, let more people know about it, and the more you share we will reach more people. So आज का जो ये कोर्स है ये बिगिनर्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, इस कोर्स को करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इक्विपमेंट्स भी नहीं चाहिए होंगे. यू वुड बी नीडिंग few tools. In fact, tools maybe you just need ball tool and a hook tool. You don't need a lot of stuff, lot of equipments to do this. You just need good clay. So 2 packs of clay would be enough for this course, and you would be needing a beautiful veiner which I have got this time. और जब ये वेनर मेरे पास आया था in the month of February, I decided at that time only कि इसका तो sequel मुझे लाना ही है. And when I was making the other course in 2020, at that time also I was thinking कि मैं इस course को थोड़ा और vast कर लेती हूँ, थोड़ा और इसके जो दूसरे और इसकी जो family के products हैं उनको भी सिखा देती हूँ. But then that was a different story and this one is a different story altogether. तो आज का जो ये कोर्स है, इस कोर्स का नाम है स्पाइरल बैम्बू. ये स्पाइरल बैम्बूज हैं एंड दे आर गॉर्जियस. जस्ट लुक एट द स्पाइरल बैम्बूज. आई हैव जस्ट जॉटेड डाउन देम विद अ रबर बैंड. ये रबर बैंड से मैंने जॉट कर दिए हैं, तो आपको क्लमजी दिख रहे होंगे, बट वन ईच एंड एवरी बैम्बू हैज अ स्टॉक ऑन इट. दैट्स द स्पाइरल बैम्बू. और ये अपने आप में ही इतने ब्यूटिफुल होते हैं कि आप इनको बस, मेरे पास कोई सामने वेज नहीं रखा और एल्स आई वुड हैव जस्ट kept it in the vase like that. आप इसको किसी भी कॉर्नर में रख दो, it will lighten up that space. It's beautiful. So that's the spiral bamboo, and that's the one stalk which I took out just to show you guys. Just look at the details. So you will learn the two saplings. Can you see the two saplings here? This is one chota sa sapling coming out, and this is another stalk. So you will learn this as well as the single stalk and the entire process of making the spirals. वायर्स को फोल्ड करके क्ले चढ़ाना बहुत आसान काम है, और मैंने बहुत सारे मेथड्स भी ट्राई किए, एंड दिस इज द वन विच आई फाउंड आउट द बेस्ट वे टू मेक द स्पाइरल बैम्बूज, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज द डांसिंग बैम्बूज. सो दे आर गॉर्जियस. सो दिस इज स्पाइरल बैम्बूज. लेकिन 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 हम इतने पे ही नहीं रुकते. आई एम गोना गिव यू अ लिटिल मोर टू दिस. So along with the spiral bamboos, you will be learning the potted bamboos. So that's the potted bamboo into a pot. Normal bamboo stalks. Just मुझे कुछ भी छोड़ना नहीं था, मुझे सब कुछ इसी कोर्स में सिखाना था. इसके अलावा एक बैम्बू और बचता है, विच इज द जंगल बैम्बू, द वाइल्ड बैम्बू. आई होप मैं उसको किसी ट्यूटोरियल में इंक्लूड करके सिखाऊंगी, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग, you know, I can inculcate it with some floral design and use it. So this is the potted bamboo. That's the spiral bamboo. And there's one more. एक ही दो से ही हम काम नहीं चलाएंगे. So I have this super surprise for you guys. More than the spiral bamboos, I like this one better because this is my first time I have tried, and it has come out amazing. So the third and the last one is the braided bamboo. The braided bamboo. As you can see, I have taught how to make the braids of the bamboo. That's the bamboo. You can see the details. And that's the braided bamboo. So you learn the spiral bamboos, the potted bamboo, and the braided bamboo. All three species of bamboo I'm going to teach you in this course, and this will be the enough course for you guys to learn bamboo through and through. इसके बाद bamboo में कुछ भी रह नहीं जाता है. तो ये bamboo का हमारा course है. I'll just keep this a little away because it's too long. I'll just show you the spiral bamboos and the braided bamboos, and they look gorgeous, and they're still wet. अभी भी गीले हैं ये. कलर्स पूरी तरह ड्राई नहीं हुए हैं. मेरे हाथों में कलर लग रहा है. So that's how you will see the dancing bamboo, the braided bamboo. So this is the course. If you guys want to know the details of this course, just click a picture with me. It's so funny. That's the bamboo course. Nice. So if you want to know the details of this course, just ping me on WhatsApp. There's a pinned comment over there at the bottom of the comment section. You will see all the comments, and you can just ping me on WhatsApp and know all the details. Where should I keep all this? I'll just hold it like that so that you guys know what the course is. So you're going to learn 3 different styles of bamboo in this course. One is the braided bamboo, one is the spiral bamboo, and the other one is the potted bamboo. तो इसके बाद एक जंगल बैम्बू रह जाता है हमारा, जो कि वाइल्ड होता है, जो कि जनरली हम घरों में, आउटडोर में, एक्सटीरियर्स में लगाते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट वेरी कॉमन. So that bamboo you can learn in some other arrangement. I've not decided yet which one, how to, but it'll be more or less the same only. थोड़ा सा इधर उधर फर्क होगा, which I will tell you later. So इस कोर्स के अलावा there is one course which I launched in 2020, which was the lucky bamboo bonsai, the plant, जो कि कटोरी में हम फिक्स करते हैं. वो कोर्स भी डिस्काउंट पर है. जस्ट इन केस इफ यू गाइज आर इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग दैट कोर्स विद मी, दैट कोर्स इज ऑल्सो ऑन डिस्काउंट आफ्टर मेनी मेनी ईयर्स. आई मीन आई डोंट रिमेम्बर लास्ट कब मैंने उसे डिस्काउंट पे डाला था. तो ये बैम्बू है. मैं एक ही पकड़ लेती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज टू कंफ्यूजिंग. दिस ब्रेड इज लुकिंग बेटर. या So the braided bamboo, the dancing bamboo, and the potted bamboo, it's a combo of 3 different bamboo arrangements. The stock making is more or less same, but मैंने बहुत सारे अलग अलग methods try किए हैं जिससे कि आप ज़्यादा सीख पाएंगे. जैसे कि आप ये देख सकते हैं, it's a stalk of petal leaves which are into one cluster. You can see, and the leaves are getting decreased when they reach to the bottom. इस वाले में थोड़ा डिफरेंट प्रोसेस है. आप देखेंगे कि ये अंदर की तरफ स्टॉक है और अलग से फ्लूटेड इफेक्ट आ रहा है. ये अलग से खुले खुले पेटल्स हैं और इनके स्टॉक्स यहाँ नीचे तक मैंने ब्रेड किए हैं. देखिए, so you can see other saplings going down. So I've tried to cover up as much as possible into the course so that you guys learn max to max, like maximum whatever I can teach you, I have taught in this course. जो भी इसमें हो सकता था वो मैंने इस कोर्स में सिखाया है. तो ये हमारा बैम्बू कोर्स है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्पाइरल बैम्बू, दैट्स कॉल्ड द ब्रेडेड बैम्बू, एंड दिस इज द पॉटेड बैम्बू. So all 3 species of bamboo you will learn into this course, and the dancing bamboos are the most beautiful ones. Just look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? आपको कुछ भी करना नहीं है, and they are super easy to do. You just need to know the hack of how to handle and how to make them. See, these ones are still okay because these ones are still okay because they are straight, just the stalks, and these ones I have made even more simpler, just the stalk on the top. So these ones are okay. I mean, you can still, if you're a beginner, you can try that and you will get the hack. But to make the dancing bamboos, the spiral bamboos, to create the perfect spiral without any cracks. Can you see any cracks over here? You won't see any cracks because it's been done in such a way that, you know, we don't get a single crack when we follow that method. And I've tried 3 to 4 different ways of making the spiral bamboos, but then this hack which I tried was the best. यही सबसे बेस्ट तरीका था जिससे कि क्रैक्स नहीं आ रहे थे, टूट नहीं रहा था, खराब नहीं हो रहा था, और the look was amazing. और मुझे कुछ भी करना नहीं है. I'll just take a vase and I'll put it like this at a corner of my table and it will be like this forever. So it's a perfect thing to gift somebody. It's a perfect product to learn and the perfect thing to start your clay flower journey with me. Okay, now coming to the materials. That's the kit of the bamboo. See how less it is. Clay का एक ही पैकेट है किट में. अगर आपको चाहिए तो you can buy more packs of clay because to make 30 stalks I must have taken at least over 1 kgs of clay. But in my tutorial I've taught one stalk, so you can just, 1 pack is more than enough. If you want to make more, you can buy more clay and let me know. So in the kit you will get the veiner. That's the veiner. I'll show you. This is the lily leaf veiner, or I can say I have used it for bamboo and it is gorgeous. It looks beautiful. Shall I show you the result? Just look at the leaf. आप चाहें तो बगैर वेनर के भी बना सकते हैं. That is also up to you. But with the veiner, it looks more enhanced. Just look at the details of the veiner. So that's the veiner. That's the lily leaf veiner, and it was not there with me in my stock since quite long. Like I got it for the very first time, and That's the veiner I'm going to give you in the kit. ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं काम करूं और कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो. That's the veiner. This is the cutter stock. So if you have these kind of cutters, like you must be having the dendrobium cutter set, you must be having the daffodil cutter set, the lily cutter set, those kind of cutter sets. If you have this kind of leaf, you can make the bamboo, all the bamboos using this cutter set only. And in the kit I'm giving you, but if you don't want to buy this, you must be having hundreds of cutters like that. The required wires, as many wires as you would be needing. This is the bind wire, the decorated bind wire through which we have binded the stalks, and a pack of clay. So that's all in the kit. If you do not want the kit, you can buy this separately. You can buy the veiner also. You can let me know. Along with the fees, you can pay me the charges for the veiners. I can send you once and all for. And that's the required wires. Wires are also very important. पूरा का पूरा plant हमारा wire पे ही बना है, so you have to be very very sure that the wires what you are using has to be perfect. So that's the kit, and that's the veiner. Those who don't want the full kit, you can buy only veiner. The cost of the veiner and the product is listed on my website. If you're taking the course with me, only veiners I'll give you then. Like, I don't have extra veiners. I must be having 30 or 35 watt pieces. I think 30 only. So I don't have many pieces to sell. So if you're taking the course, you can buy the veiners from me. If you're not taking the course, please wait. Okay. So that's the veiner again. And it's quite big. You can see how big the veiner is. And to be very precise, I'll tell you it's 13 centimeters. It's quite big veiner. So you can vein your lily leaf also into this. The medium size tulip leaves also you can vein into this. You can vein the bamboo. I have used this veiner for making all my bamboo stocks. So again I'll show you. That's the products which you would be needing. इसके अलावा मेरा पुराना bamboo course, जिसका unfortunately I don't have a product to show you, but I have a stock. This was my old bamboo. One stock I've kept for myself. This is that one stock. So we have done a lucky bamboo planter, a bonsai, जो कि मेरा, it was a course which I launched in 2020, and it's a beautiful course. It's beautiful. I have used the same veiner in that course also, so you can use this veiner for that course also. And I have got this veiner for the very first time with me for sale. So if you want, you can order it. You can keep the veiner. You can use this veiner and make many long leaves. तो जहाँ पे भी मैं confuse हो जाती हूँ, मुझे कोई long leaf समझ नहीं आता है क्या vein करूँ, I use this veiner. So again I'll show you. That's the braided bamboo. That's the spiral bamboo. The spiral bamboo is one of the most gorgeous products I have made. It's beautiful. And of course the potted bamboo. अगर आप ये वाला course अभी book करेंगे, this course is on early bird discount. And the people who already know me, they know that early bird discount offer fee I do not repeat. It's once in a lifetime offer which I give to people. So once this early bird is over, then the fees will be revised, of course, and we will not be going back on the early bird discount offer ever later on. So yes, Swapnil, the lucky bamboo plant that tutorial is beautiful. It's very nice, and that also I've tried many ways, and then I thought of trying that method, and it was the easiest one, I believe. And many people have taken the course, and many people have shared their images and their products with me. So yeah, people have done great. So yeah, तो ये 3 arrangements तो bamboo के हैं ही. इसके अलावा जो lucky bamboo बॉन्जाई हमारा ट्यूटोरियल है पुराना वाला, वो कोर्स भी डिस्काउंट पर है. चारों कोर्स भी आप ले सकते हैं, विच इज ऑन अ वेरी हेवी डिस्काउंट. सो इफ यू वांट, यू कैन रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ फॉर द कोर्स, टेक द मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट एंड एनरोल एंड मेक द बैम्बूज, गिफ्ट इट टू पीपल, डेकोरेट योर हाउस एंड make it. And it's a beautiful course to start with. All the beginners who are joining me for the first time, who are planning to start with clay flowers, the wait is over. This is the course which you should start with. So this is the dancing bamboo, the spiral bamboo, and this is what we will be learning into this course. Any other questions if you have, you please let me know. I will definitely answer them, take your questions. I'll show you the details again. Here is the bamboo. Just look at the rendering, the shading on each stalk. Isn't it gorgeous? And the same story goes with the braided bamboo. Just look at the beauty. तो आप तीनों अलग अलग स्टाइल के बैम्बू बनाना इसमें सीखेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक ही चीज सीखनी है इसमें. आप इसमें देखेंगे कि ये सैपलिंग्स कैसे निकल के आ रहे हैं, स्टॉक्स के नीचे तक हम कैसे लगा रहे हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्मॉल लिटिल लीव्स. यू कैन सी द न्यू टेंडर लीव्स कमिंग आउट. यू कैन सी दिस, ये वाला. तो ये मैंने कोशिश किया है कि मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस कोर्स में कवर कर सकूं और आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा सीख सकें. जबकि मैं 3 कोर्सेज भी इसके ला सकती थी, बट देन आई थॉट फाइन, लेट पीपल एंजॉय, लेट पीपल लर्न मैक्सिमम आउट ऑफ द कोर्स. ट्विंग 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 ट्विंग, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. सो या, अगेन I'll show you. That's the dancing bamboo, the spiral bamboo, and they are gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Again and again I'm telling you, कुछ भी आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just wrap it with a brown paper and take it to your friend's place, and it'll be gorgeous gift to give somebody. And it's में मेहनत is hardly anything. You won't realize after you see the tutorial, you will say इतना easy था, ये तो पहले वाले से भी ज्यादा easy था. I'm sharing lucky bamboo shortly on your showcase group, which is in the process. Oh yes, please Rachna ji. We have a showcase group where you can showcase your products, where you can, show to the world that what kind of clay flowers do you make, how are you associated with clay flowers. So like that, you can just show your products, you can show your finished arts on the showcase group and share it to the world, as we have a community of more than 2,000 people over there, and it's an amazing group to share your products. So that's the dancing bamboo. Again, I'm showing you, it's a beautiful arrangement to put it into different, like you just put 6-7 roses with it and it'll be beautiful. So, and easy to follow tutorial. Thank you so much. Yeah, I try my level best to try different methods of how my students will be, facing the issue to learn this. So, yeah, I do a lot of efforts for my tutorials. So, yes, this is it. That's the course which I have today. The spiral bamboo, the braided bamboo, and the potted bamboo. So 3 bamboos plus the old bamboo tutorial, the bonsai, which we have done in 2020. That course is also on discount. Whatever you want to know, jo bhi aapko information chahiye, just ping me on WhatsApp. You will get all the information. Wait for your chance. And if you're a new one coming to me for the first time, just introduce yourself. I'm so and so, and I want to know about this course. Click a good picture of mine along with the bamboos and send me if you want to know the course of this the details of this course. And again, I'm showing you. It's so beautiful. I just kept it just right in front of my bedside table, and I was watching it all throughout 4-5 days. So it was just gorgeous. So again, guys, this is it for the tutorial for the course launch today. The spiral bamboo, the braided bamboo, and the potted bamboo. So all 3 courses in one. It's a combo for you guys, and the fees is minimalist. Early bird discount offer will end very soon. It's a limited period offer, and the moment early bird discount offer is over, I won't repeat the fees again. The fees will be revised. So if you want to take the maximum benefits out of this course, just ping me on WhatsApp, grab the opportunity and book your seats ASAP. So this is all for today's live. I will see you in the next one very soon. I will be coming up with the next big bang course next month. I'm already onto it. Like, I've already started with the work, and it's one of the most gorgeous course. What is it? I won't tell you. Just wait for the update, wait for the live session next. But this is what I have for you guys. This is a quickie course. You can finish it off in like 2-3 days only. The bamboo will be over and you will be blessing me forever. So this is it for today's live. Register your seat as soon as possible. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.